Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Weintek'S new web panel. We're going to connect our web panel to an Arduino Opta with a built-in or with a web visualization that we've coded in. When setting up our web panel, we'll start by applying power to the unit. And then we'll connect an Ethernet cable to our visualization device. It's going to be the Arduino Opta in this case. When the unit first boots up, such as right out of the box, it should open the HMI's web server, so the web server of the web panel itself, which is where we'll configure all of the settings. We can log into the web server by entering the default password, which is 111111. All of the settings related to the web browser, the built-in web browser, are going to be in the web browser setting tab. We can configure the default site, so this is the site that the web panel will automatically navigate to upon boot. Or if you have a navigation bar enabled, this will be the site that it will navigate to when you click the home button. The countdown before start setting, when you reboot the unit, and I'll do so right now, it will display a brief countdown prior to navigating to the web server. We can enable a navigation bar along the top that the user can use to navigate between different websites, refresh the page, enter in different URLs, or use the home button to navigate to the default website. By default, certain functions, such as going forward and backward, can also be accomplished via swipes. And a refresh can be accomplished via a swipe down. If you want the HMI to function essentially in kiosk mode, you can disable the navigation bar, and the HMI will boot and automatically redirect the user to the default website. After, of course, the countdown period, which we've set to 10 seconds. And this countdown period allows you to navigate to the system settings page. And really the last feature that you need to know about in order to set up your web panel is the network tab here. So of course, just as we want to connect the the web panel to our web-based HMI, we want to make sure that the web-based HMI has a known IP or known URL, and that our web panel has a our web panel has a network configuration, and that our web panel has a network configuration that will allow you to reach that URL or that website. So in our LAN 2, we set our IP to 192.168.1.2 because, as you'll have noticed on the Arduino Opta, the IP address for the web visualization was 192.168.1.177. And that's all there is to it. It's really a very simple, straightforward setup process for our brand new web panels. You can follow these setup instructions to set up your 15.6, 10, or 7-inch web panel units, and it'll work all the same. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.